You are going to yawn in the next 30 seconds, not because you're tired, not because you're bored, but because I just told you you would. And the reason that works is the most unsettling thing about the human brain that nobody ever talks about. Here is the question nobody actually asks. Not why you yawn when you're tired, not why babies yawn, but why does a single word on a screen have the power to make your jaw drop open against your will? What is the system running underneath that reflex so powerful it bypasses your conscious mind entirely? Welcome to Black Box Tales. Stay with this one because the answer in the second half changes how you see something much bigger than yawning. Most people think they already know this. Tired brain, low oxygen, big breath, problem solved. Clean, simple, done. Except researchers locked people in chambers and pumped in pure oxygen. Yawning did not stop. Then they increased carbon dioxide. Yawning did not increase. The oxygen theory, which every textbook repeated for over a century, was tested once properly and fell apart immediately, which means everything you were taught about this is wrong. And if the answer is not oxygen, something else entirely is happening inside your body every single time this occurs. Here is what the science actually points to. Your brain is a heat engine. It generates enormous thermal energy and is extremely sensitive to temperature. Even a tiny spike degrades processing speed, reaction time, and decision-making. So the brain needs a cooling system, and that cooling system is the yawn. When you yawn, your jaw stretches to maximum, your lungs fill completely, and a massive wave of cooler air floods across the sinus cavities sitting directly beneath the brain. It is a biological air conditioning unit built into your face. And here's the proof. Yawning peaks at two specific moments, right before sleep and right after waking. Both are moments of brain temperature transition. The cooling system fires precisely when the brain needs it most. You are not yawning because you're bored, you're yawning because your brain is running hot and needs to reset right now. But here's where this gets genuinely unsettling. Deep inside your brain sits a system called mirror neurons. These neurons fire when you perform an action, but they also fire when you observe, read about, or even imagine someone else performing that same action. Your brain does not cleanly separate what is real from what is vividly represented. When you read the word yawn, your mirror neuron system processes it almost identically to watching a real yawn happen in front of you. The reflex fires, your jaw responds. Mirror neurons are the biological foundation of human empathy. The reason you flinch when someone gets hurt, the reason you feel uncomfortable watching someone embarrass themselves. Contagious yawning is not a quirk, it's empathy made visible. People with higher empathy scores catch yawns significantly more. Children under 4 who have not yet developed full empathy do not catch yawns at all. Psychopaths are almost completely immune. When you catch a yawn, you are not being weak or tired, you are demonstrating that your empathy system is fully online. That is the black box, a reflex you cannot control, revealing the most human thing about you every single time it fires. Hit the like button and subscribe to Black Box Tales for more. Thanks for watching.